Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel, Auset's Kitchen. This is an organic alkaline food channel, so you'll get a lot of organic foods, you'll get a lot of alkaline foods based on Dr. Sebi's list. And I am Yasmin. I'm actually using the goddess Auset to go into trance and nurture my body, the bodies of my friends and family, and hopefully make it into your home with a lot of different recipes that I'll show you. I do have a company-wide juice where we have selling our sea moss, and many people don't know what to do with their sea moss, so many of my recipes are going to have this in it so you can know how to get more minerals into your diet, more minerals into your lifestyle. It's not even a diet, it's a lifestyle, so you want to make sure you have some of this on hand. Today, I'm actually making some ziti, and I'm starting off very basic. This is a new apartment for me, so I get to show you how I set up my kitchen for success, you know, because the main thing about being plant-based, vegan, or transitioning into any lifestyle is really about making sure that you have the tools that you need to get the job done. So what I'll be using today for my ziti recipe, this is a vegan ziti recipe, yes, I'll be using some red lentil pasta, and this red lentil pasta has one ingredient, red lentils, so it's not even a starch or gluten. This is an organic alkaline substitute. Go pick this up at your local supermarket or Google it. I also have some tomato basil red sauce. You can get any flavor sauce for your ziti, whichever one you like. Sometimes I get mushroom, sometimes I get the basil. It really depends on how I'm feeling. Like I said, our sea moss, I use this in basically every single thing that I cook, that I eat. Anything that I can mix it into, I will. And then the star, we have some vegan mozzarella cheese. This is the Miyoko's brand. This is really good. In my opinion, it's a great cheese. It isn't alkaline. I will say that. It does have cultures in it. It does have tapioca and agar, but I think this is still a great vegan cheese. One day maybe I'll create a vegan cheese out of sea moss. I have seen that before. But today we're gonna use this mozzarella cheese. It's really good. And then the other tools that we'll need, I'm using a Dutch pot to be able to bake my ziti in. I'm using a stainless steel pot, and I actually just purchased this brand new. And I'm going to be boiling my pasta here. And of course, I have my cutting board and my knife. And while my pasta is still cooking, it says it only takes 7 to 8 minutes, but I like to make sure that it's really nice and tender. And this pasta, as I said, this is a plant-based alkaline pasta. No peanuts, dairy, sesame, shellfish, or any other fish, tree nut, egg, soy, wheat, or gluten. Okay, so it's a simple one ingredient pasta. Usually what I would do is I will put mushrooms into my ziti because I don't eat meat. But I'm not gonna do that this time around because I couldn't find any. So let me just put in the oven on 400 because I want it to warm up. Our pasta is almost done. This is a quick meal. All right, y'all, so I just got my cheese out the refrigerator, and I actually let this sit in there because you really want this to be cold when you go and cut it because it's not real cheese, so it's not as firm. If it gets warmer, it will not cut the same way. So you really want to make sure that you have this pretty firm. Oil is on pretty low. Now for the sea moss. So sea moss, as we know, sea moss, this beautiful baby here, our oven is ready. This beautiful baby here has 92 or 93 minerals out of 103 that our body needs. I put about 2 2.5. You could really put however much you want because it doesn't taste like anything. So all you're doing is, all I did was add nutrients to my food just now. That's literally it. So, and I just mix this in. It's a little cold because it was in the refrigerator, but it mixed in like nothing. Just mix this in while warming that. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys when I put in my seasoning, sorry. But as I said, I use basic seasons. I use some pink Himalayan sea salt. I'll probably use a little bit more in a couple of seconds while I mix this in. Italian seasoning, so like oregano, parsley. Did I use parsley or cilantro? One of the two. But you can use both of them if you're interested. Rosemary, whatever you want. Honestly, whatever you want. Whatever seasonings make you happy. I've only had this out for a couple of seconds, but because a couple of minutes, but because the oven is on, it's getting really, it's melting really fast. So that's that. Anything left over. Now I'm just gonna put this in the oven, covered for about 40 minutes. This is the finished product. Okay, let me put this down. You see that? It's all golden brown. I like to wait until the cheese starts to darken and melt and really bubble. That's how I know it's done. How y'all feeling about this baked ziti right now? Let me get a spoon. I want to really show y'all. It's really hot though. I like to let it cool off for a little minute.